Respondus Monitor is the leading remote proctoring solution for higher education. It allows students to take online assessments from a remote location, all while ensuring the integrity of the exam process. It starts with Lockdown Browser, a custom browser that locks down the testing environment within a learning system. Students cannot print, copy, access other applications, or search the internet during an online exam. Respondus Monitor builds on Lockdown Browser, providing a fully automated proctoring experience. Students use a webcam to record themselves during an online exam. Afterward, flagged events and proctoring results are available to the instructor for further review. Respondus Monitor works with a wide range of devices, and it will launch from any major browser. But it's the seamless integration with learning systems that makes it the top choice by instructors, students, and administrators. There are many types of online testing at a university, which is why flexibility is at the core of Lockdown Browser and Respondus Monitor. In classrooms or a testing center where a proctor is present, Lockdown Browser is all you need to ensure students aren't accessing unapproved resources on their computer. For remote exams, Respondus Monitor provides a fully automated proctoring experience that ensures academic integrity. Instructors can also watch students in real time during a remote exam using Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet. Lockdown Browser prevents cheating on the computer itself, while the instructor watches students by video. And if you teach a hybrid class where some students are in the classroom and others are remote, Respondus Monitor has that covered too. One technology, lots of flexibility. Respondus leads the industry when it comes to privacy, security, and scalability. We're big proponents of privacy by design, which means we don't collect data that we don't need. And we certainly don't sell it or use proctoring data for other purposes. It's the university's data after all, not ours. And since Respondus Monitor is fully automated, that means Respondus staff isn't watching students or dropping in on them in the middle of an exam. No weird stuff here. Last year, Respondus Monitor was used at 1,500 universities to proctor tens of millions of exams for over 1 billion minutes of online proctoring. Now that's scalability. Respondus Monitor is backed by a 5-star support team offering 24/7 real-time chat for students. Free trainings for instructors are also available from the amazing training team at Respondus. Now, if you think Respondus Monitor is going to cost a whole lot, that's just not so. Universities can start small with a 1,000-seat license. Each additional set of 1,000 seats is just $19.50. And when your university is ready for an unlimited license, that's when the savings really occur. On average, institutions with an unlimited license for Respondus Monitor pay about 25 cents per proctoring session. That's less than the price of a bubble sheet and printed exam. In fact, for every paper exam your institution switches to online testing with Respondus Monitor, that's not a cost, it's a cost savings. And you save a lot of trees and classroom space while you're at it. Respondus has been laser-focused on online assessments for 20 years. We know assessments, we know proctoring, and we know higher education. All this knowledge gets poured into Lockdown Browser and Respondus Monitor, which is why they're the top choice of universities year after year. Flexibility, credibility, and a forest full of sustainability. That's Respondus Monitor. Proctoring done right.